Yes, of course, I do have my mom juice. Cheers to us.
Coming real, it's the next episode. Hold up.
Video, then you already know what's up. We is cleaning this fridge, stocking this fridge. Excuse the scarf. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, and got right to it. I slept with my clothes off, TMI, so I just put on the same clothes I had yesterday to clean the fridge. So, you know, I won't be cleaning the fridge naked, but I'm starting off with the fridge. I'm gonna put everything back in the fridge. Then I'm gonna take everything out the freezer, clean the freezer, and put everything in the freezer. So let's get to it. Just catching you guys up. Yes, of course, I do have my mom juice. Cheers. Let's hurry up and finish this because, baby, it's a task. Right now, I'm just about to wipe down everything and start stocking the fridge. Okay guys, so I just realized since I have to cut some vegetables and I really wanted to get mason jars from Walmart and I totally forgot. I still might try and go get mason jars, but I'm trying to get this fridge situated today. So my fruits and stuff I do have to wash and go through and do all that stuff with. And then as far as my meats, I get enough chicken, but then I split it up. I will refrigerate some that I'm trying to cook and then I freeze the rest. So I have to split my meats. I have stuff to do. So I'm gonna just wipe the stuff down and place it in the fridge so it can get back to getting cold. So things won't be room temperature, and then I'm gonna just figure it out as I go. But just bear with me, bear with me. Ever since you left me, I've been trying to hide the pain. Keep pretending, getting harder every day. I just keep going round and round. And round in circles, keep on tumbling. Somehow I know that there's a place I wonder. Free of all atrocities and suffering. Fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, carry me home. And all I need, with no war and with no room. Keep my head high, take to the sky. You know sometimes it be like that, baby. We were bigger than anything. And I'm talking way of something. And how we used to shine. But you can't deny the fire passes by. And waking up inside my arms for you. Speaking from experience. Nothing can compare to your first choice. Head all messed up now, that's that trickery. Know how this loving used to be. I bet you can't do it like me. She'll never be MC. Baby, don't you forget about late nights, late Nothing can compare to your first choice. So I hope this will remind you. Get your boom boom all up in your system, 'cause baby girl, this is the music for love. Just flow through your body. Stop it, girl, this is the music. We could play the music, nobody's around. 'Cause if the sound eruption, there's gonna be no interruption. But I'll show you all my functions. Rewind, we'll go back to the time. Girl, the music for love. I'll keep you moving your body. I'll be the DJ that you love. Girl, turn me up and let me come through your speakers. Blow the sound out of your tweeters. Boom, 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 all up in your system. Just blow through your body. Baby, I just don't get it. The makeup on the shirt,
coming home back to you. Sex is like, I just feel like sex with you. It's like, damn. I don't even know what it's like. Hold on, let me try to explain. Made the last shot and everybody screaming my name. It's really the best with you. Makes life worth going through. Ain't nobody got a body like you. Sex with you meets my needs. Ain't gotta go looking in the streets. Girl, I'm loving having sex with you. And a check comes in the mail after being broke for so long. Meets my needs, but ain't gotta go looking in the streets. It's all about the freaky things we do. Baby, I ain't never tried to hit and run. I'll be sexy on the regular. Cause ain't nothing better than sex with you. Break it down and tell you what your sex is like. Ooh, sex with you, the strip club. Ain't gotta pay none of that strip club.
Okay, y'all, so we got all the condiments wiped down. Cheers! Cheers to us. All the condiments are wiped down. So basically now, I need to figure out how I'm going to arrange them in those little containers that I had bought from like a couple of vlogs ago. Put the stuff up in the refrigerator. I don't know if I'm going to put the condiments in the container or how I'm gonna do it. Hopefully they all fit. I don't know, I'm gonna figure that out. So basically the last things that I'm gonna have to do is the meat and the vegetables, which that's how I wanted it because, well, not the last thing because I still have to put the stuff in my cabinets, but for the fridge restock, like for this video. So I guess I'll figure out how I'm gonna do my fridge and then, or I don't know if I should just like do the meats and the fruits, or at least the meats. But the meats, a lot of the meats are gonna have to like majority of the meat is gonna have to go inside the freezer. So I wonder if I should have that prepped and ready so then when I clean the freezer I could just load the freezer. Y'all, this is a process. And y'all see this wine, I know it's cheap wine, but it definitely has me feeling myself, okay? So I hope y'all are not annoyed jamming out with me because y'all know I like that old school. Damn. Because I wanted to do like a cute little, well, try and do a cute little video. I'm still learning, but a cute little video of like the fridge being stocked. So much. We move.
Say what you're fighting. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you owe me something. All you got to do is walk away and pass me by. Don't let none of mine. Without your power, say hello to you. Yeah. And all you got to do is not answer my call. But I'm trying to go keep me wondering why. And all I can do is say, I just want
So when I got to my onion container, I realized I didn't get no onions. But you guys, this is taking hours. And I need a refill. The butters didn't went down because I like stopped filling my glass, but the bottle almost gone. Bottle is almost gone. I'm still trying to figure out how to do my condiments to make them fit. I'm trying to have one with the ones that we don't really use and then one that we kind of use frequently. I don't know. I'm trying to make everything in the fridge easily accessible. Then I do have all my fruits in containers over here. It's taking forever. I'm actually very hungry. I've been, of course, snacking on fruit as I've been cutting it. So I've had like some apples, some peaches, some grapes and stuff, and I actually had fruit when I started because I already had like a fruit bowl, the one you guys see me buy in the store. But man, I'm hungry. I want like some food, like some food. So I don't know. This is taking so long, but we got this. I'm gonna get through. I got to see it through, my boy. So you guys, I'm about to split the meat. Like I was telling you guys, I'm give me some sips in before I split this meat, because once I touch this meat, I can't touch my glass. So take it to the head. Take it to the head. Ooh, these strawberries are infused for real. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3 bags to put the meat in. I'm gonna do the turkey last. Oh, I hate touching raw meat. I just and I have my water on because I'm gonna have to constantly wash my hands. Alright, so next is the chicken wings. Got my bag. And then so I'm most likely going to put like this that's going in the freezer inside of another grocery bag. So, this is all wet and bloody. How do I accidentally turn my water off when I was washing my hands? Like, no. So I'm probably just gonna put half of this bag. So this right here can go for 2 dinners. So half and half. Next time I need to get more wings so I can make like barbecue, hot, garlic parmesan, lemon pepper, like just different variety of wings. But like I said, this is 2 dinners split. This is 2 dinners split half and half, but shit, barely, but this could have went for 1 dinner. For real. So then I'm gonna put that in a separate bag. This is nasty. Maybe I should start putting like my meat in containers or something, I don't know. And then I'm about to do the ground turkey. Wash my hands again. And my dish soap looks like this because I do mix bleach inside of my dish soap. So it's already in there. Everything get touched with bleach, baby. Everything, baby. Okay, so the lean ground beef, I need to cut this open. And I wonder if I should use a spoon because I don't want to touch this. I should have grabbed more bags though, because I don't know where I'm gonna put the other half. We're gonna figure it out though. Maybe I can put it in a container. Maybe if I grab it, like flip the bag and grab the meat like this. That'll help. Let's see. Ouch. What? I did not grab the full half. But I did all right. I'm gonna have to touch this meat though, because damn. I really tried avoiding touching this. Now all my meat is split into dinners. I'll wash my hands again. So I need a container for the ground turkey. All right, so I got a container for the rest of the ground turkey. I'm hoping this just drops in there. Voila. Like so. Boom, bada bing, baby. All right, ground turkey secure. Yeah, I might start putting my meat in like containers versus. Which y'all like better? I like this better. This or this? This. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Ugh, now I need bags. Give me 2 bags out of there, please. What did you say, Mama? I'm gonna say nothing. Guys, I'm finally done. It's freaking 8:55. That's crazy. Wild. But I'm finally done. I'm gonna take me a shot because I feel like it's well deserved. It is Saturday and I spent my whole freaking Saturday restocking and cleaning my fridge. I am gonna wipe down my counters and stuff because I was dealing with meat and clean the dishes that I was soaking. Clean these little dishes that I was soaking like the fruits and veggies in. That's not gonna take long. That's not gonna be bad at all. Wipe down the counters. When I'm done with all that, when I get out the shower, I'll come and close out the video and I might take a shower with y'all. I don't know, but we done. Yes. Oh my gosh, just look at my face. Okay, so this is my before shower shot. Not too bad. All right, I'll see y'all when I get out the shower. Yes. All right, you guys, I'm in my jammies. This is my favorite thing to wear, just like a big tee and some like briefs or little shorts or something. I'm ready to do my night routine, so I'm gonna take this last little shot with you guys. I'm gonna eat these strawberries because they're definitely like infused. And then that's the end of this video. So if you made it this far to the end, thank you so much for watching and hanging in there with your girl because I almost didn't see through. Let's take this. Let's take this shot. Cheers.
Hanging with the girl of my dreams.
Here we are, Golden Gate Park.
Where's everybody going?
There's a huge concert.
A concert? Now that sounds like fun.